You want to boost your YouTube videos in 2024. Welcome to the world of YouTube SEO, an ever-evolving landscape that can turn your content creation game around. As we step into 2024, it's crucial to understand the importance of SEO and how it can help you skyrocket your videos to the top of YouTube's algorithm. In this video, we're going to explore the pivotal elements of YouTube SEO, from conducting effective keyword research to optimizing your video titles for maximum reach. We've got it all covered. We'll also delve into crafting engaging descriptions and tags that keep your viewers hooked and the YouTube algorithm happy. But that's not all. We'll share some insider tools and tips that will help you stay ahead in the YouTube game. So, are you ready to transform your channel, increase your views, and boost your videos with the latest YouTube SEO strategies? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to understand keyword research. This is not just about finding the right words to sprinkle throughout your videos, title, description, and tags. It's about identifying the topics that your audience is truly interested in and tailoring your content to meet their needs. Keyword research is akin to a compass guiding your YouTube SEO strategy. It helps you understand the language of your audience, find out what they are searching for, and how they are searching for it. This, in turn, allows you to create content that resonates with them, making it more likely for your videos to be discovered, viewed, and shared. So, how do we go about performing keyword research? Well, there are a variety of tools at your disposal. Google's Keyword Planner is a good starting point. It helps you identify popular keywords related to your topic and provides data on how often these keywords are searched. YouTube's own search bar is also a great tool. As you start typing a keyword, YouTube will suggest popular search terms, giving you an insight into what people are looking for. Don't forget about third-party tools like TubeBuddy and Vidiq. These can provide you with more detailed keyword analytics, such as competition data and related keywords, which can be invaluable in fine-tuning your keyword strategy. Now let's take a look at some examples. Say you're a fitness YouTuber. You might find that home workouts is a popular keyword, but by digging a little deeper, you might discover that home workouts without equipment or 15-minute home workouts are even more popular. These more specific keywords are known as long-tail keywords. They may have lower search volumes, but they also have less competition, making it easier for your video to rank highly. Remember, effective keyword research isn't about finding the most popular keywords. It's about finding the right keywords for your content and audience. It's a blend of art and science, requiring creativity, analysis, and a deep understanding of your audience. Remember, keyword research is the foundation of your YouTube SEO strategy. It's the first step in ensuring your videos reach the right people at the right time in the right way. So take the time to do it right. Your YouTube success depends on it. Now that you have your keywords, how do you use them in your title? Well, the answer lies in the art of title optimization, a crucial aspect of YouTube SEO in 2024. An engaging, SEO-friendly title is your golden ticket to visibility in the overcrowded world of YouTube content. Your title is the first thing potential viewers see, and it can be a decisive factor in their click or not to click dilemma. So, how do you craft a title that both the algorithm and your audience will love? Let's dive into the details. First, Remember that your title should accurately represent the content of your video. Misleading titles might increase clicks initially, but they'll also increase bounce rates and damage your channel's reputation in the long run. Second, use your primary keyword as early in the title as possible. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and increases the chances of your video popping up when someone searches for that keyword. But remember, the title should still make sense to a human viewer. Third, keep your titles concise. YouTube truncates titles after about 60 characters, so make sure your title gets the point across before that cutoff. Fourth, consider using numbers and emotional words in your title. Numbers like top 10 or 5 easy steps give a clear expectation of what the viewer will get. And emotional words can make your title more appealing and engaging. Fifth, and finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Test different title formats, watch your analytics, and see what works best for your specific audience. So, to sum it up, an effective title is accurate, keyword-focused, concise, engaging, and tailored to your audience. It's a delicate balance, but when done right, it can significantly boost your video's visibility. Remember, in the vast ocean of YouTube content, your title is your beacon. It's what helps viewers and the algorithm find you. A well-optimized title can make a big difference in your video's visibility. Next, let's talk about descriptions and tags. A well-crafted video description and the right tags can be your secret weapons in winning the SEO battle on YouTube. They not only provide context to your video, but also amplify its discoverability, helping it reach the right audience. Now, let's delve into how you can leverage these tools effectively. Consider your video description as a short summary, enticing viewers to press play and watch your content. It should be a compelling narrative that seamlessly integrates your keywords. Think of it like a movie trailer. It gives a preview without revealing the whole story. However, remember that YouTube only shows the first 2 to 3 lines of the description. So, make sure to put the most important information, including your keywords, right at the beginning. Now, moving on to tags. Tags are like signposts that guide YouTube's algorithm in understanding the content and context of your video. They help in categorizing your content, making it easier for the right audience to find your video. But how do you use tags effectively? Start with your main keyword, then expand to include other related keywords and phrases that your audience might use in their searches. It's like casting a wide net to capture as many relevant searches as possible. But remember, relevance is key. Irrelevant tags can mislead the algorithm and viewers, which can hurt your video's performance. Also, consider using a mix of broad and specific tags. Broad tags cover general topics, like cooking or travel, while specific tags can be longer phrases that are directly related to your video content, like easy pasta recipes for beginners or budget travel tips for Europe. This combination helps in reaching a wider audience without losing the focus on your niche. So, to sum it up, writing an engaging description and effectively using tags are all about telling YouTube's algorithm and your potential viewers what your video is about in a clear, concise, and compelling way. With engaging descriptions and effective use of tags, your videos are ready to climb up the YouTube search rankings. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? Let's do a quick recap. We've covered quite some ground today, diving deep into the world of YouTube SEO. We started with keyword research, the cornerstone of any SEO strategy. Remember, it's all about finding those golden keywords that are relevant, have high search volume, and low competition. Next, we delved into title optimization. A catchy, keyword-optimized title can make all the difference in attracting viewers and the YouTube algorithm alike. We then explored the importance of engaging descriptions and tags. These elements should not only contain your keywords, but also provide a clear, concise summary of your video content. Tags help YouTube understand the context of your video and can significantly improve your visibility. With these YouTube SEO strategies, you're well equipped to boost your videos in 2024. Remember, SEO is a long-term game, but with consistency and patience, you'll see your videos climb up the search rankings. Good luck.